Hey there! Wondering what is the common link between these places? Simple. All of them accept UPI payments. UPI is a quick, convenient and reliable go-to payment mode. What is UPI? Unified Payments Interface, commonly known as UPI, is a peer-to-peer payment system that allows us to pay with a few taps of our fingers by simply scanning and entering a UPI PIN. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to reset your UPI PIN on the PayZapp app. Launch the PayZapp app on your mobile device. Go to the profile on the top left of your screen and tap on UPI accounts. Tap on Payment Methods, then choose Bank Account. Select the bank account for which you wish to reset the UPI PIN. Click on the Forgot UPI PIN option to proceed. To verify your account, enter the last 6 digits of your debit card and its expiry date. Then click on Change PIN. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your identity. Enter a new 4-digit UPI PIN. Re-enter the new UPI PIN to confirm. It may take a few minutes for the new PIN to be activated. You will receive a confirmation message or notification for the same. Congratulations! You have successfully reset your UPI PIN with PayZapp. One app for all payment choices.
PayZapp by HDFC Bank. Pay your way.